Hello everyone, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to today's presentation. In this question, I'm going to show you that how important it is to identify the relationship between the subjects. In this case, the three subjects are the 10 cent coins, 20 cent coins, and 50 cent coins. And how by identifying the relationship, we can actually express everything in terms of units. And working with units, we can proceed to solve it easily. And certain concepts, you can see that we may need to use certain concepts like equal fractions, which I would devote another tutorial on that particular concept. Repeated identity, that means we talk about the same 10 cent. The next thing is how to solve the units using making an equal value, and I express it in two ways I could solve my units. Let's take a look at this question. On Monday, Tanya counted the number of 10 cent coins, 20 cent coins, and 50 cent coins in the piggy bank. The number of 10 cent coins was 24, more than the number of 50 cent coins. On Tuesday, Tanya spent 3/5 of the 10 cent coins, 1/4 of the 20 cent coins, and 18 50 cent coins. Tanya then found out that she had an equal number of 10 cent and 20 cent coins. She also found that the number of 50 cent coins now formed 40% of all the coins she had left. How many 10 cent coins did Tanya have at first? How much did she spend in all? So what do I mean by the relationship? Look at the sentences that tell you how the number of coins, the number of 10 cent, 20 cent, and 50 cent coins are related. She had an equal number of 10 cent and 20 cent coins. There's one relationship between the 10 cent and 20 cent. So if we know that, we'll be able to express in units, and then another relationship will help you to link up the 50 cent coins using so-called the repeated identity, because the same 10 cent coins was mentioned, and it was 24 more than the number of 50 cent coins. So let's find out what fraction of the 10 cent and 20 cent coins was left. So in the end, what is left for the 10 cent is 1 minus 3/5, because you spent 3/5 of it, so it's left with 2/5. Likewise, for the 20 cent is 3/4, because you spent 1/4 of it. So now, this is the important information. She had an equal number of 10 cent and 20 cent coins left. So meaning to say that 2/5 of the 10 cent is equivalent to 3/4 of the 20 cent coins. Remember, what is left is only a portion of what she had at first. A portion of it. I will devote another tutorial on this particular concept, equal fractions. But right now, students need to know that we are just referring to a portion of what we had, compared to the total. We make the numerator the same. We equalize them, because here in both cases, the number of 10 cent and 20 cent coins left are the same. They are not referring that they had the same number of 10 cent and 20 cent coins at first. So don't get confused. Look out for the other tutorial on equal fractions. I will explain more in details. So now that we know that at the end of the day, 10 cent coins and 20 cent coins, there were each 6 units each of the 10 cent and 20 cent coins left. So how many coins in terms of units were there at first? So at first, looking at the denominator of the 15 of the 10 cent coins, and the denominator will tell you the base, that means the total. So at first, for 10 cent coins, there should be 15 units. For the 20 cent coins, there should be 8 units. So we need to find out the other expression for the 15 cent coins. We are told that the number of 10 cent coins was 24 more than the number of 50 cent coins. So 50 cent coins has less than the 10 cent coins, so we take away 24. So this is another way to express it. 15 units, take away 24. Alright, and in the end, we were told equal number, 6 units of 10 cent and 6 units for 20 cent. And from the first expression, we know that for 50 cents, it is 15 units minus 24. So in the end, you take away a further 18. That will leave us with 15 units minus 42 for the number of 50-cent coins. Right, bear in mind, because next is how to solve the units. This is the particular piece of this is the clue on how we can actually solve the question. So we are told that the number of 50-cent coins now form 40% of all the coins you have left. Conversely, 60% is made up of the 10 and the 10-cent coins. And we already found out is 6 units plus 6 units, which is 12 units. 12 units of coins is equivalent to 60% of the total number of coins left. Likewise, another piece of information, 50 cent, which we have expressed in units, is 15 units minus 42. This will make up 40% of the total number of coins left. So how to solve it? Remember what I always say, if you can express an equal value in 2 different ways using units, you can solve the units. So I know that 60% is equivalent to 12 units. Let's make it 10% because it's easy to make it 10 rather than make it another bigger number. Make things simple, I'll reduce to 10%. So 10%, how do I get 10%? Or divide by 6. So 60 divided by 6 give me 10. Likewise, 12 units divided by 2 give me 2 units. The same, 40% is equivalent to 15u minus 42. What is 10% of it? So 40 divided by 4 give you 10. Likewise, 15u have to divide by 4, and for 42 you have to divide by 4. So this is what you will have. 10% is equivalent to 3.75u minus 10.5. Do you see that these two are actually the same value, 10%? And I have 2 ways to express it. 3.75u is equivalent to 10.5. So solve the units. Bring over the u to the left hand side. This is a positive, we take away. So take away here, minus 2u, you have the minus 2u on the left hand side. And likewise, I want to put the actual amount, actual number on the right hand side, you take away. You plus, because this is a minus, you plus. You plus on you add on the left hand side, you add on the right hand side. So 1.7u is 10.5. You work out what is 1u. When we know what is 1u, we know she has 15 units of 10-cent coins at first. So 15 times 6 is 60. Is 90 10-cent coins. With that, student can proceed to solve the rest. That will be simple. But bear in mind, what they have worked out is the number. You have to multiply by the value. In order to find out how much she spent in all, it's not enough to just find a number, because a lot of students will just give the number instead of the value. Okay, I'm looking for the value because this is what she means. The question means how much she spent in all. We don't talk about all the coins. We talk about the total value that she spent. So we have to work out individually how much she spent. 10 cents, she spent $5.40. Likewise for 20 cents, she spent 2 units of it. So 2 units is 12 20-cent coins, work out to be $2.40. 50 cents, she used up 18, and she spent $9. The total, just add up, you get $16.80. Okay, that's the end of the presentation. Thank you.